Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TPLM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. No, I don't mean to state the obvious or rub salt in anyone's wounds, but a pretty nasty day. And maybe if you're newer and you've heard the term, gap and trap, and not quite sure what a gap and trap is, look no further than this. I mean, the price closed here on Friday, gapped up here, but then after the gap, I mean, the bears just pretty much stomped on it all the way down there. So, a rough day for the bulls after what seemed to be a pretty promising start. So let's just get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. Obviously, the week is young, still 4 days left, so we'll see how things unfold from this point of view. But first level of support to keep an eye on, I believe the price is still up above it. Yep, right here at 29 cents. Going back through the history of the chart, you can see this area, it acted as support there. It acted as support right there. Price did temporarily break below it right there, but quickly snapped back up. And then later on in the day, you can see once again acted as support. So 29 cents has quite a bit of history, and that's definitely the preferable area of support going further. Meaning, Clay, at this point, what's going to be the best case scenario for the bulls? Well, you definitely, what's going to make the chart look the strongest? If the price can just stay up above 29 cents, you really don't want to see the price, putting in any newer lows or anything like that. In the event 29 cents cannot hold, next key level of support at 27 cents. Now, what about in regard to levels of resistance? Meaning, the price is going to start to try to recover it all. Where are some of these battlegrounds that the bulls are going to have to push up above? First area of resistance to keep an eye on with any sort of bounce, going to be right there at 33 cents. And then after 33 cents, next key level up there at, we'll call 38 cents, right up there. And if the price can start to clear above these levels of resistance, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point in time. But one hurdle at a time. And by no means am I saying that tomorrow the price has to break through levels of resistance. Right now, the top priority is just trying to stabilize, trying to build a higher base. And so that's where these levels of support that we've talked about come in, because if the price can at least just start to go sideways, sideways action is just as good as upwards action at this point in time. You may be saying, well, geez, that's setting the bar kind of low. Well, after, the nasty day from today, like I said, within the context of things, just going sideways, much better than, having the price continue to fall apart. So we'll see how the rest of this week unfolds. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.